My name is Deborah Olive, and I'm the Racial Equity Director for the AntiRacism Institute in San Diego, California. Dismantling racism is complex. It requires courage and sensitivity. At one time, racism was overt. It was right out in the open. It is far more insidious today, and it thrives as systemic racism. For example, in 1944, Congress passed legislation that's now referred to as the GI Bill. That bill provided all war veterans with low-cost mortgages, low-interest business loans, and tuition for higher education. But as a practical matter, the institutions, the banks, the colleges administering those GI benefits excluded over 1 million Black veterans. Let me say that again. They excluded over 1 million Black veterans, people who had put their life on the line for this country. And that exclusion widely impacts housing, whether a Black family has a safe place to live. It impacts generational wealth, the ability to pass money across generations. It impacts the quality of education. And today, when so many jobs rely on science, technology, engineering, and math, the lack of up-to-date resources in classrooms is a huge issue. It reduces access to opportunity, and it has nothing to do with ambition or hard work. Systemic racism is baked in. And if this disturbs you, and you're a white person asking the question, what can I do? Then I urge you to learn more about the program, Unpacking Race and Racism, Becoming White Allies 2.0. This program is offered by the AntiRacism Institute, and it begins the week of April 24th. This is a 7-week virtual, small group, transformational experience, and it provides a proven path to dismantle racism. It starts with racial awareness. You will learn what you didn't know about racism. Next is racial literacy. You will explore 400 years of American history through the lens of racism. And finally, racial action. During the program, you will find your answer to the question, as a white person, what can I do? And you will select and engage a racial equity project that's the perfect fit for you. It will include 6 core competencies of being a white ally. The first is to show up. The 6th is to seek Black counsel. As white people, we have a lot of catching up to do. Your racial equity project is meaningful, measurable, and sustainable, and it's meant to make a dent in racism. One racial equity project at a time, white people are showing up to be a part of the solution to build a more equitable society. This could be you. Click below to learn more about this powerful virtual experience we call Unpacking Race and Racism 2.0.